Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic sleeve pattern. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I post video every week. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to fold your paper in half. Let me show you what I've got here. I have my paper folded in half, as you can see, and here is unfold. So the first thing you should do is to draw an horizontal line, which is going to be your starting point. So I place an horizontal line there like that. And next you need to measure your sleeve length. So this totally depends on you. If you want a short sleeve or a long sleeve or a 3/4, just go ahead and measure the length. For me, I'm going to be making a 3/4 sleeve today, and the length is going to be 18 inches. So from this line, I am taking 18 inches. So next thing, I'm going to be making an horizontal line from this point. And the next thing is for us to get the cap sleeve. In order to get the cap sleeve, there is a calculation that we use, and the calculation is your bust divided by 12 plus half of an inch. So for instance, my bust is 34 inches, so that divided by 12 plus half gives me 3.3 inches. So I'm going to measure the 3.3 inches here, and then you extend that to make another horizontal line like that. So after doing that, we can go ahead and grab our basic bodice pattern which we have made. I have a video on this basic bodice pattern, you can check it out. I will provide the link to this video in the description box so you can check out how to make this basic bodice pattern. So from here, because we are making a sleeve for the same dress or for the same person, so we need to take this measurement of the armhole. So here I have 7 inch, and I added ½ inch of ease here. So that 7 inch plus ½ inch of ease is going to give me 7.5. So that is what I'm going to transfer here. 7.5 inch. And then from this point you connect it to the top right there. So I'm making the slant line, joining it with the starting point which I made. So the next thing for me to do now is to get the midpoint of this slant line. Okay, so here is about 8.5 inch, and the half of 8.5 inch is 4.25. So 4.25 is about here. So get the midpoint, and from this midpoint you have to come up by ½ of an inch. So we come up by ½ of an inch. So I'm just connecting the 2 points like that. So after that, just grab your French curve and you can connect from this starting point to the top of this point that we have made using your French curve. And then from here to this point, go ahead and make a straight line. Okay, and that forms the back armhole. And for the front armhole, we are going to make a curve here also. Okay, using the French curve like that, and then turn your curve to the other side and also draw from this point to this meeting point here. So from this point like this, you know, that is the back armhole, and this one is the front armhole. Okay, so the next thing for us to do now is to measure the round sleeve. For me, the round sleeve is 9 inches and the half of that is 4.5. So I'm going to take my 4.5. So there you have the 4.5. So from this point, just go ahead and connect it to the edge here. So there you have your sleeve pattern. Next thing now is for me to go ahead and cut out my pattern, and I'm going to be cutting out the back first before I cut the front. Then I open it up and then I cut the front curve. And there you have the basic sleeve pattern. Very easy. So with this sleeve pattern, you can make different styles of sleeve using this pattern. Okay, so that is going to be the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, just go to the comment section below and leave a comment for me. I will try my best to answer. And please subscribe to this channel. I post video every week, so you don't want to miss out. And until next time, guys, thank you. Bye.